John here. I've got this set of Torx drivers here from 3, what do we got here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, and 20. So what I want to do is make a holder for these, because I can't just leave them stuffed in my vise. So what I'm proposing here is taking some of this aluminum I got here, and already started marking some stuff out here, and what I'm going to do is cut off that line there. This is going to go there, and that's going to go there. It's going to be two-tiered, and so I have 5 of them in front and 5 of them in back. That's the plan anyway, and we'll see if that works out. Stay tuned for more. Hey, John here. I didn't film this, I just made it up because it's just drilling a bunch of holes, and it's not a very interesting video for that, but I got a set of Torx drivers here, 3 through 8 and 10, 15, and 20, and so I made up this little stand out of a couple of pieces of scrap aluminum I had laying around. So just show that off. Like I say, there was no point in filming it because you've seen people drill holes. I mean, that's about all there was to it, was drilling the holes and screwing 2 pieces together. Well, actually 3 pieces counting the base. There's a piece of 1/2 inch, a piece of 3/4, and a piece of, what was it, 1/8 or 1/4 on the bottom there. Anyway, now when I need one, I know where to find it. So it just kind of sits up here on top of my case, one of my cases. And there it goes from above. Gets some extra holes if something else comes along to put in there. You never know. Anyway, that's my my little project for this week. Not much to it, but it's handy. Thanks for watching.